سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Ear Anatomy 7 Inner Ear Part 1. Inner ear, also called labyrinth of the ear, part of the ear that contain organs of sense of hearing and equilibrium. We will divide the inner ear to bony part and inside it membranous part. Bony part, 3 semicircular canals, vestibule, cochlea. Membranous, 3 canals, utricle, saccule, cochlea. Here we can see
Now we're looking at the inner
cochlea.
This is just a large
This is the cochlea here, which like snail, and this is the vestibule. This is the modulus, which is the axis of the at which the cochlea turn. Inside the cochlea, it is 3 chambers, as we will discuss. Here is the vestibulocochlear nerve, the cochlear division inside the cochlea, and the vestibular division to the canals and utricle and saccule. This is canals, 3 semicircular canals. Here, this is anterior and posterior and lateral or horizontal as the 3 axes. Now we'll discuss in details. This is the cochlea. Have 2.5 turns. The cochlea is bony part and inside it membranous part. The cochlea has 3 scala: scala vestibuli and scala media. Scala vestibuli is the upper portion. The middle portion is scala media, which contains organ of Corti. Or cochlear duct. The lower part is scala tympani. This is inside the cochlea. Scala vestibuli, scala media, scala tympani. Scala vestibuli facing the oval window. When the sound enters to the ear, to the foot plate of the steps, then to oval window. It contains perilymph. Contain perilymph, which is similar as extracellular fluid. Scala media has endolymph, scala tympani has perilymph. And then this vestibule, this is called vestibule. This vestibule contains utricle and saccule and endolymphatic sac and duct. The cochlear part is connected to the vestibular part by canal of Renier. Vestibular has vestibule and utricle and saccule. Utricle as the small uterus, saccule as small sac. The semicircular canals connected to the utricle. Also, it contains perilymph. As we will see the difference between perilymph and endolymph. This vestibule is bony part, and the membranous part is called utricle and saccule. Between the vestibule and utricle and saccule there is perilymph. Inside the utricle and saccule there is endolymph, which is called inner membranous labyrinth. So there is bony part, membranous part, between them perilymph. Inside the membranous part endolymph. The saccule also inside, this is the saccule and this is utricle, and there is 3 semicircular canals. Also there is bony part and membranous part. This is anterior or superior semicircular canals. This is anterior. There is 2 vertical and 1 horizontal, and this is the posterior semicircular canal, which also is vertical, and this is the lateral or horizontal semicircular canal. There is 3 canals.